Urinary tract infections (UTIs). UTIs are bacterial infections that affect the urinary system, including the urethra. They can cause pain, discomfort, and a burning sensation while urinating. Sexually transmitted infections (STIs). STIs, such as gonorrhea or chlamydia, can cause inflammation and pain in the urethra. Urethritis. Urethritis is inflammation of the urethra that can cause pain, burning, and itching while urinating. Kidney stones. Kidney stones can cause pain and discomfort as they pass through the urinary tract, including the urethra. Urethral stricture. A urethral stricture is a narrowing of the urethra that can cause pain and difficulty urinating. Prostatitis. Prostatitis is inflammation of the prostate gland that can cause pain in the urethra and difficulty urinating.